All right, so the plumber showed up yesterday and put in all of our plumbing. So this line's coming from upstairs. And then over here we have additional lines for when we finish the basement. Additional drains. Over here, they also hooked up looks like another drain and a radon vent. Don't ask me how I knew that. Another drain here. And back upstairs, we've got our laundry room hookups. And if you look into the garage, we've got piping for the hot water tank where it's going to go out in the garage. We have the kitchen plumbing and water. All right, and this is the master suite. Got our tub. And then here we'll have our frameless glass shower. And on this side, double vanity sinks. And the water closet. And then at the end of this hallway, we'll have a full bathroom, shower and bath, toilet, and another vanity right here. And here we are upstairs. We'll have a Jack and Jill bathroom coming from the one bedroom, and we'll have a sink here. Toilet and shower and bath. Then over here will be another sink. And these will have pocket doors that you can open and close to shut off different areas.